Today's story is about a make-believe kangaroo, and I am excited to share the story with you because kangaroos are one of my favorite kinds of animals. They belong to a group of mammals called marsupials, and marsupials all have a little pouch for their babies. So all the mama marsupial animals, all the marsupial mammals, they all have pouches that their babies stay in until they're big enough to be out and running around. So this is a story about a mama kangaroo named Kicky. Okay? Kicky the kangaroo. And her special letter is the letter K. Look, K for Kicky Kangaroo. Here we go. Once upon a time, there was a kind kangaroo named Kicky. She was named Kicky Kangaroo because she loved to kick. And real kangaroos like to kick too. One day, while Kicky was looking for some new things to kick, she found a set of keys. Oh, yes, she found a set of keys. And the baby that she carried in her baby pouch, do you see that? His name was Kooky. And she went, and the baby went with her wherever she went. So Kooky and Kicky found some keys. Now, on the set of keys, there were 4 colorful, shiny keys. She put all of them into her pouch with Kooky. They then looked about for what the keys might open. So they looked all around. Kicky and Kooky came close to a building they had never seen before. The lock on the door was painted bright red, just like one of the keys Kicky had found. She tried the red key in the lock. The key turned the door open, and inside they discovered a kitchen. Kicky and Kooky made some tea in a kettle in the kitchen and laughed their happy little kangaroo laugh. Do you know what their laugh sounded like? It sounded like the letter K. Can you laugh like a kangaroo and make that sound? Very good. The next key that they decided to try was the blue key. She and Kooky looked around until they found a blue lock. Kicky opened the door to find a kite collection. Every color and kind of kite in the world was there. Kicky and Kooky laughed with joy to see all those kites. And how did they laugh? They thought that was so funny. Next, they used the yellow key. She wondered what it would open. Kooky pointed to a yellow lock on another building. Behind the door with the yellow lock, Kicky and Kooky found a kennel. And a kennel is a place where they store dogs. They visited with all the animals for a while, and they went on their way laughing. The very last key that they used was a green key, and they found a door with a K on it. They looked for a long time for a green lock. They finally saw one in a very large building. When they opened the door, they discovered a kindergarten that was full of kids, and what fun they had together. When the bell rang, the kids got ready to go home. Kicky and Kooky gave each kid a kiss and hopped away, waving and laughing. Now, this story is another story that they don't necessarily have a problem. They kind of do with finding the keys, but it's more of telling the story in order. So try and remember all the events to this story as you retell it to somebody in your family.